This week, we'll be discussing cool and unusual applications of social network analysis. This will range from looking at the connections between diseases and genes to derive a human diseasome. We'll be looking at recipes and the relationship between ingredients in those recipes. One of those will be my own work on predicting recipe ratings from the network of ingredients, but also we'll be looking at a paper that looks at the relationship between ingredients through the flavor compounds that they share. And so you'll be getting a new data set to play with in the assignment. Also, you'll be playing with the diseasome in the assignment. You'll be looking at the social network of dolphins and what centrality means in such a network, whether there's a sortativity. Another subject will be the product space, which is this network of products that are related because countries tend to, well, if they export one, they also are likely to export the other. And you're going to see what this means for economic development. Now, with the exception of the one recipe paper where I was one of the co-authors, and so I have prepared a short lecture on that paper, I will actually direct you to others, that is to external videos where one of the authors of the paper is actually presenting the paper. So this is how you'll learn about the diseasome from Laszlo Barabási, whom you know from the Barabási-Albert preferential attachment model, among other things. You'll be listening to Cesar Hidalgo talk about the product space network, and you'll be listening to YY An talk about the flavor network. Now, I think this is a bit better than my rehashing those papers. We can really take advantage of the work being recent and being able to hear it from the authors themselves. And I hope that the assignment is going to bring it together for you so that you can see how easy it is, in fact, to derive interesting results simply by constructing networks in an intuitive and clever way. And hopefully it would also make you think about where you would like to apply your social network analysis skills once this class is over. It hopefully will give you a sense of what are the possibilities with, in using the tools that you have learned in this class. So I hope you will find this week fun.